In the last video, 7 money habits that quietly keep most people poor were laid out in full detail. This video is the follow-up, the exact order to fix them, starting with the one that produces the highest immediate financial impact and ending with the one that compounds the longest. The order matters more than most people assume. Fixing habit number 7 before habit number 1 is like filling a bucket with a hole still in it. Each step in this sequence unlocks the next one, and skipping ahead wastes both the effort and the money. Fix number 1. Eliminate high-interest consumer debt first. This is the correct starting point for one specific mathematical reason. No investment available to the average person reliably returns 20% or more annually. A credit card charging 22% APR is a guaranteed 22% loss on every dollar that sits as a balance. Before any money is redirected towards savings, investing, or any other financial goal, any debt above 10% interest rate needs to be eliminated, because every dollar not going toward that balance is effectively losing 22% per year in opportunity cost. The method with the highest psychological success rate is the avalanche approach, paying the minimum on every account and directing every extra dollar toward the highest interest rate balance first. When that balance hits zero, the freed up payment gets added to the next highest rate balance. The momentum builds with each account closed. A person with 3 credit card balances at 24%, 20%, and 18% should start with the 24% and not move to the 20% until the first is completely gone. The only exception is if a balance is small enough to eliminate in under 2 months. Clearing it first gives a quick psychological win that maintains motivation without meaningfully affecting the mathematical outcome. Fix number 2. Switch idle savings to a high-yield account. This fix takes approximately 15 minutes and produces a guaranteed immediate improvement with zero additional risk. High-yield savings accounts from online banks currently pay between 4.5% and 5.1% APY, 10 times the 0.45% national average on traditional savings accounts. Same FDIC insurance, same liquidity, different bank. Once high-interest debt is eliminated, the freed-up cash from those minimum payments goes directly into this account as an emergency fund. The target is 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses held in this account, enough buffer that no unexpected event forces a return to high-interest debt or premature liquidation of investments. This emergency fund is not an investment. It is the financial buffer that makes every other fix on this list executable without panic. Fix number 3. Open and begin contributing to a tax-advantaged retirement account. With consumer debt eliminated and an emergency fund funded, money directed toward investing goes into the most efficient account available before a taxable brokerage account is even opened. A Roth IRA allows contributions up to $7,000 in 2026 to grow completely tax-free. Every dollar of growth and every dollar withdrawn in retirement is untaxed. For someone in a lower income tax bracket now who expects to be in a higher bracket in retirement, a Roth IRA is the single most powerful account structure available. For someone whose employer offers a 401k with a matching contribution, that match should be captured first before anything else. An employer match is a 50% to 100% instant return on the matched dollars, the highest guaranteed return available anywhere in personal finance, and the most frequently left on the table by people who never enrolled or never contributed enough to capture the full match. Fix number 4. Start investing in a broad market index fund. With the correct accounts opened and funded, the actual investment is straightforward. A single S&P 500 index fund or a total market index fund covers the broadest base of equity exposure available, has averaged 10.5% annual returns over the last 30 years, carries expense ratios as low as 0.03% at Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab, and requires no ongoing decisions. The contribution is automated on a fixed schedule, monthly or with each paycheck, and the investment is not touched regardless of what the market does short-term. The amount contributed matters far less than starting now. A $50 monthly contribution started today outperforms a $200 monthly contribution started 5 years from now, for reasons already covered in the compound interest video. The fix is not contributing the perfect amount. The fix is contributing consistently from the earliest possible date and increasing the amount every time income increases. Fix number 5. Monitor and actively manage the credit score. With debt eliminated, savings funded, and investing underway, the credit score naturally begins improving. Lower balances mean lower utilization, and on-time payments accumulate history. But active management accelerates the improvement significantly. Check all 3 credit reports through annualcreditreport.com for errors. Approximately 1 in 5 Americans has an error on at least one report that suppresses the score without their knowledge. Dispute any inaccuracy directly with the relevant bureau. Keep utilization below 10% on every individual card rather than just the overall average. Do not close old accounts. The history length is a meaningful component of the score. And avoid applying for new credit during any period where a major loan application, like a mortgage, is being planned within the next 6 to 12 months. A score above 760 unlocks the best available rates across virtually every lending category. Getting there is the goal, not perfection above 760, which produces no additional rate benefit at most lenders. Fix number 6. Implement a spending gap rule for every income increase. This fix has no product, no account, and no application. It is a single personal rule applied every time income rises. A defined percentage of every raise, bonus, or additional income stream goes directly into investments before lifestyle spending absorbs it. The specific percentage is less important than the rule existing at all. 50% is aggressive, 20% is conservative. Any fixed percentage that gets applied consistently transforms every income increase into an accelerator for the financial position, rather than simply a lifestyle upgrade. Without this rule, lifestyle inflation absorbs the entire raise within months, the savings rate stays flat, and a higher income produces no improvement in financial trajectory. The fix works retroactively too. A person who has been earning the same income for several years without this rule can implement it immediately, not on the next raise but right now, by auditing current spending, identifying the category that expanded most with income growth, and redirecting a portion of it back toward investing. The spending adjustment is uncomfortable for approximately 30 days and then becomes the new normal. Fix number 7. Build a weekly or monthly financial review into a fixed schedule. The last fix is the mechanism that keeps every other fix on track over the long term. A monthly review of account balances, investment contributions, credit card utilization, and progress toward the emergency fund target takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes and ensures that no drift goes unnoticed for more than a month at a time. Drift is the reason most financial plans that start with genuine intention eventually stop working. Not because the strategy was wrong, but because the automatic review was never built in, and small departures from the plan accumulated silently over months into significant setbacks. The review does not need to be elaborate. A simple check of 5 numbers: savings account balance, credit card balance, investment contribution made, credit utilization percentage, and net worth against the previous month's numbers is enough to catch problems early and confirm that the trajectory is still moving in the right direction. The correct sequence from start to finish: eliminate all debt above 10% interest first. Build an emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. Open a Roth IRA or capture a 401k employer match before investing anywhere else. Begin contributing to a broad market index fund consistently. Monitor and actively manage credit score. Apply a fixed percentage rule to every income increase. Build a monthly financial review into a permanent schedule. None of these steps require a financial advisor, a high income, or a specific starting age. Every one of them is available today, in sequence, starting with the single highest impact action first. Drop a comment with which of the 7 fixes is being implemented this week. The next video covers the most common reasons people start this sequence and stop before it produces visible results, and how to build the consistency that makes each step stick long term.